Right, good day, and welcome to your daily AI news summary for Sunday, the 21st of September, 2025. So today, we are diving into a quantum computing breakthrough in silicon, growing concerns over declining AI model performance, and a stark warning about AI's impact on youth mental health. Well, first up, some truly exciting news from Down Under. Basically, researchers at the University of New South Wales have achieved a significant milestone in quantum computing. They've successfully enabled atomic nuclei to communicate through electrons within standard silicon chips. This isn't just a lab curiosity, it means quantum entanglement can now occur at the same scales used in today's computer processors. Actually, Professor Andrea Morello highlighted that this approach leverages existing semiconductor manufacturing processes, making it far more commercially viable than many previous quantum methods. So, this development addresses a persistent challenge in scaling quantum systems without losing their delicate properties, potentially accelerating the timeline for widespread quantum adoption. Now, AICI's view on this is that it represents a pragmatic and potentially game-changing approach. By working within silicon's established ecosystem, UNSW has unlocked a more accessible path to quantum computing commercialization. Mind you, those significant engineering challenges will undoubtedly remain in scaling from laboratory demonstrations to industrial applications. Anyway, not all AI news today is about breakthroughs. So, a software developer has raised serious concerns, documenting what they've termed LLM lobotomy. They claim that large language models are delivering progressively worse results over time, even with identical prompts in system configurations. This developer, working on an Azure-based AI product, tracked performance degradation over 6 months, noting that GPT-4o Mini's accuracy deteriorated following the release of GPT-5. Mind you, whilst switching to GPT-5 Mini restored accuracy, it came with significantly slower response times, sometimes up to 20 seconds. So, these allegations highlight growing concerns about AI model consistency and reliability in production environments, touching on broader questions of transparency and accountability. Well, AICI's view is that these observations underscore the critical importance of robust AI monitoring and version control in enterprise deployments. Honestly, if validated, such performance degradation could significantly impact businesses relying on consistent AI outputs, highlighting the urgent need for clearer communication about model updates and their potential effects on existing implementations. Right, finally we turn to the societal impact of AI. So Dr. Mark Siegel, Fox News' senior medical analyst, has issued a stark warning regarding artificial intelligence and social media's combined effects on young people's psychological well-being. Speaking on Saturday in America, Dr. Siegel emphasized how AI-driven content algorithms are intensifying existing mental health challenges among adolescents. Basically, he explained that these sophisticated AI systems are becoming adept at capturing and maintaining young users' attention, often by exploiting psychological vulnerabilities, creating addictive engagement patterns that interfere with healthy development. So, this discussion reflects growing concerns about AI's role in shaping youth experiences online, particularly as AI becomes more adept at personalizing content delivery. Now, AICI's view is that Dr. Siegel's warnings highlight the urgent need for age-appropriate AI governance and comprehensive digital literacy programs. At the end of the day, as AI systems become more sophisticated at behavioral prediction and manipulation, protecting young users requires coordinated efforts between educators, healthcare professionals, and technology developers to ensure AI serves rather than exploit developing minds. Right, so from the cutting edge of quantum computing to the practical challenges of AI model consistency and the critical societal implications for our youth, AI continues to shape our world in profound ways. We'll be here every day to bring you the latest developments and our insights. Right, that's all for today's AI News Summary. Okay, thank you for joining us, and we look forward to catching up with you tomorrow. This was brought to you by AICI, your expert AI consultants. Please hit like and subscribe to stay ahead of the curve with all the latest from the world of AI. See you tomorrow.